Hey, this is Brenda with Balance with Brenda, and I wanted to show you this is a typical bathroom in the typical American home. We've got a stall shower with glass doors, we've got a regular height commode and a vanity. And if you had someone here who needed to be in a wheelchair, wow, this just got really tight. So we're just going to go over a few scenarios. Here's the other side from the shower, regular commode, no grab bars or anything. Lots of clutter, but honestly, this is how a bathroom looks most of the time. Not a lot of storage. And again, if you had someone at a wheelchair level, this vanity would be really hard to get to, much less the turning radius in the bathroom. So here is what this builder did without changing the footprint. This is a no demo reno, like this wall did not grow out, but what they did was remove the tub shower combo. You have an adjustable height shower head. You have a change in surface, so visually it's a lot easier to see the difference kind of in the wet zone and the dry zone. You've got a raised higher commode, and now you have quite a bit more space if you need to get from the wheelchair to the commode. But if you still have different multi-generation people, different height people, someone in a seated level, someone in a standing level, this adjustable shower head is really nice. What's also nice is I'm hoping there's enough room here that if the person wanted to have some privacy, they could shower and reach the controls there on their side. The person in the shower would be facing the commode, basically, and that way they would have some control over their shower and have a little bit of privacy. From the other side, basically, you can see the higher commode. You can see that they've taken out the cabinetry here and replaced it with storage on the other side of the L-shaped vanity, but now you can get a wheelchair in there. So visually, it's still a calming, lovely space, but it works in a multi-generational household. Like and subscribe. Thank you.